In this video I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF document for free. So what we will do, we will open our PDF document which we would like to edit. Now the next step is go to the website seda.com. Go to this website. It is a very useful website where you can do all kinds of edits on PDF documents. So for the next step we just have to upload our document which we would like to edit, and after that we will click on upload. Now select the preferred document. Let's say we would like to change this one. Open it, and as you can see we have successfully loaded the screen. I will zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it properly. Now as you can see we have the table over here. Let's say we would like to change this word into amount. So we will change it, and as you can see we have now changed the text. You can also change this text in items. Instead of item we will delete this one, and this is how you can edit a PDF document for free. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!